Alright, so you might have seen FTP pop up when you're moving files around the internet, or maybe it's just one of those mysterious acronyms you keep hearing in tech circles. Today I'm breaking it all down. Here's everything you need to know about the FTP network protocol without needing a computer science degree. So what does FTP even stand for? It's File Transfer Protocol. Basically, it's a set of rules that lets you send files between computers over a network, usually the internet. Think of it like the digital version of a postal service. You're sending documents, images, whole folders. FTP's been around since the 1970s, which is ancient in internet years. But why do we still use it? Well, it's simple and gets the job done. You've probably used FTP if you've ever uploaded a website, downloaded big files from a server, or moved anything between a PC and a remote computer. Here's how it works. There are two main players. Your computer acts as the client. The remote computer is the server. You use an FTP client app, like FileZilla CyberDuck, to connect to the server. Once you're connected, you can upload, download, rename, delete, organize files, all from your screen, kind of like you're dragging files to a USB stick. Classic FTP isn't encrypted. That means if someone's snooping on your connection, they could see your username, password, and the files you're transferring. That's why most people now use secure versions, FTPS, SFTP, which add encryption and keep your data safe. Quick recap of the pros and cons. Pros: FTP is fast, simple, works on almost every operating system. Cons: without extra security, it's not safe for sensitive stuff. Plus, the interface can be pretty old school, lots of folders and file lists. So, when should you use FTP? If you're moving large amounts of data to and from a server, like updating a website, backing up files, or sharing big folders with a team, it's perfect. Just make sure you're using a secure version if you care about privacy. In the end, FTP is one of those tech tools that just keeps chugging along. It's not the flashiest protocol, but it's reliable. Kind of like that dependable friend you know you can call for a lift at 2 a.m. That's the quick and easy breakdown. Next time you see FTP, you'll know exactly what's going on behind the scenes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech made simple. Catch you in the next one. Quick recap. Pros: fast, simple, cross-platform. Cons: insecure unless you add encryption. Use it for big file moves and backups, but prefer secure variants for private data. Tip: choose SFTP or FTPS when you can. Use strong passwords and key-based auth if possible. Make sure the client shows a secure connection. Clients like FileZilla or CyberDuck make transfers visual and simple. Drag, drop, sync, familiar desktop patterns. You can automate transfers for regular backups. Example: deploy website files to a hosting server, or share a giant design folder with collaborators. It handles large binary files reliably. So yeah, old, dependable, and still useful. Not flashy, but it gets you where you need to go. That's FTP in a nutshell. If this helped, like the video.